Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Nandito po kami sa isang store ngayon. Titingin kami ng humidifier. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe na guys. Mello and Chloe's channel. Hello everyone! Nandito kami sa store ngayon. Tumitingin kami ng humidifier. So, this is yung kanilang selection. Ito yung kanilang selection.
Everyone, you want to say hi to me?
Hi, Mello. This one. They have a big one like this for 8 hours at least. And then they also had this one. Little bit smaller than the other one, and they have the tiny one. It's so cute. I think this is for bedroom or something. So cute.
Everyone, how to touch it?
Oh wow! I didn't even look at that.
Look, Any?
It's big. That's why. And this one is kind of big too. Yeah. That
Look
one.
at me.
Hold on, baby. And they also had this one.
Ooh, cute.
Arctic air. So. And they have the other one too. Look, guys.
And they even have this just in case you want to go out.
Yeah.
Mm.
For night mode, warm and cool. We need this guys because malamig na, so yung nose is nagda-dry. Lalo na yung kids. So it's very important. Tapos meron din silang ganito. Crane, relax and sleep.
Touch it. No.
Ayan. Ayan, guys.
Oh, we have that at the house.
And they also had this kind of 0 to cool. You can use it like
Only finger touch.
lalagay lang sa leeg or something. They have blue,
There, look, Daddy. You can use this
purple,
anytime
and
you
they also
wanna
had
go
pink. So you can use this when you go out or something. And they also had one more option over here. 99.99% bacteria. So mag-aalis siya ng bacteria guys. And then they also had warm and cool nest. So yan siya.
Hey, buddy, it's warm and cold. Look, cold, warm.
That's correct. And then yan lang yung baan niya. Hindi siya complicated.
Yeah, but it's, I wish we could have this.
Oh, hold on baby, we need to read it before we
Okay.
buy.
Let's
Okay. Oh, I forgot. Nakalimutan ko. Ito pala meron din. Ito pala yung box nung nasa taas. That one. Whole room humidifier. But we need humidifier sa downstairs. Kasi we have sa bedroom.
Look how big that is.
Maliit. Meron kami sa bedroom. So, pag sa downstairs, kailangan medyo baker kasi malaki yung downstairs kaysa sa bedroom. And I think this is all the same, huh? That one. Humidifier. This is also humidifier, guys. That's cute. Parang speaker lang siya. Yan siya. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of big too. Oh, like you can put like fragrance, essential oil. That's fancy one. That's good for Mello, right, Mello?
Yeah, I think we should buy one.
That's inside, and you gotta put like water in there.
Can we buy it?
Hold on, baby. We need to read it.
Okay, let's take our time reading it.
Yeah, I like this one. It's so cute. But this tiny guys is like
Not that one.
$29.99, so it's $30 for this tiny humidifier.
Well, it's for a tiny humidifier. It's a lot of money
Yeah, it's tiny.
for a tiny humidifier.
And they also had this one,
Mommy, look at this.
yung ano nila, display nila. It's
It's $150. You know why? It's cordless. You
oh,
just plug it in.
So how cordless?
Yeah, this one.
So how it's gonna work?
I think it's battery operated.
Not good battery. Mas
But
meron
it's
din
actually
silang
good because you can just put it anywhere. You don't have to rely on walls.
Mommy.
And they also have this one, $199 for this white thing.
Boneco.
Boneco.
Ouch.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I love it.
It's okay, my head
One
didn't
color.
actually hurt.
So, and this one is
A tiny one.
cartridge. I don't know what is this.
Can I have?
No, that's not a toy, but
Mommy,
that's
Mom,
$14.99 for that.
My dad kind that like my dad like
This is the
Oh, they also had a filter.
This is the one that collects the mineral in the
You
water.
guys are more
So
tiny.
when the mineral is
Mommy,
clogged,
mommy.
Hold on.
then you replace it with this.
Oh. And this one is filter if you bet. Where is the crane? If you bought the crane one. So this one is the filter for
I think
that.
this is the crane.
That's the crane. So if you bought this one, oh yeah, this is the crane. You can buy filter too. Like right here, it's available. So you can just change it every time.
What is that?
So filter.
You can change the
That filter is $10.99, so which is good. So you can change the filter every time.
Chloe, no touching, please.
Hey. There's virus.
So we have marami silang selection dito.
Is there virus? Mom, this bad.
All right. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, ito yung nabili natin, yung napili natin na humidifier is this brand. Tapos nabili pala natin siya sa Bed Bath and Beyond dito, guys. Sa Bed Bath and Beyond. So, dyan natin siya nabili. So, ito yung resibo natin. But, anyway, bubuksan natin siya, try natin kasi para may magamit kami ngayon. So, para malaman natin kung may mali or something, para ma-return or whatever, kung ano yung mafe-feel natin pag na-on. So, dahil ngayon ay winter time, so, meron siyang ganyan, gaya ng nasabi ko kanina. So, pipick natin yung warm. Ito. This one. So, let's go. Start na tayo, guys. Open na natin to. But anyway, may kasama na daw tong, parang tong filter niya. Ito, may kasama na siya dito sa loob. Pero, bumili pa rin kami ng isa para may reserba dito sa bahay. So, ito yung binili natin. Ito yung itsura ng ano niya sa loob. So, open na natin siya. Alright, let's open na natin siya para healthy na dito sa bahay. Okay, let's go. Alright, start na tayo, guys. Open sesame. Habang kumakain si Melo and Chloe ng dinner, open natin yan. Kasi kakauwi lang namin ng house from the store. Ooh, ito yung laman, guys, oh. So, meron siyang ano dito. What do you call this again?
Manual.
No, manual and is that a filter? Something. For the oil.
Essential oil.
Essential oil, I think. Bago natin buksan. Ito, guys. Ito, pwede mo siyang patakan ng oil. This one. Patakan siya ng oil. So, mamaya natin yun. Tapos, meron siya ditong, ito yung kasama niya, guys, na, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ito. Nandito siya. May kasama siya ditong isa. Ang liit lang pala niya. Ang cute! Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Pinakang filter niya. Tapos, ito, 4 yata laman ito eh. Yeah, 4 ang laman ng loob sa inside. This one. So, ito siya. Ay! Nalaglag. You got it? Okay. And now, it's time for the good one. Oops. So, kailangan nating tumayo. how to get it? Oh, how you gonna get this one? Tararan. Ano ba? Yun, inaalis pala yung plastic eh. Ano ba yan? Hindi marunong si Joya. Ayan. Laki niya guys. Para talaga siyang yung nandun kanina sa ano. Yeah, it's bigger than what we have, huh? Ito guys is mas malaki. Ayan. Alright. Finally, natatanggal din natin dito sa box. So, alright. Ngayon, ang box ay empty na. Ayan. Hold on. Box is empty. So, ito guys, ang gagawin natin is, what we gonna do then? We have, ito. Let me show you guys. Ito yung oil tray. Dito ilalagay yung oil tray. So, tanggalin natin tong ano na to. Yan. Tapos, push here! Ooh, fancy. Ayan! Dito siya ilalagay, guys. Yung oil. Wala pa siyang amoy ngayon kasi wala pa siyang oil. Hindi pa namin nalalagyan. And we have to buy the oil online or something. Yeah, we have to buy it. And then, yan yung oil. Ito, tanggalin naman natin to. Oops. Yan. Tanggalin natin to. Oops. Ayan. Pipit ng tape na yun, ah. So, ito guys, o-open. Tapos, ang laki niya. Dito natin ilalagay yung water. Lalagyan natin ng water. And this one is how? How many? How much water? I forgot. Parang 1.5 liter. Pwede mong ilagay. Ay, ayun! Oh, it's not 1.5. It's 5.2 liter. Or 1.38 gallon. That's big, guys. Ang laki niya. So, turn it on. Plug muna natin siya para ma-testing natin. And then, okay. So, I guess, turn on.
Well, you can't turn it on without the water.
Ay! So, we have to put water then. Oh, go get some water.
Might as well turn it off.
Oh, turn it off. So, tapos, guys, ito yung sinoke natin kasi sabi isoak daw ng 10 minutes ito sa water. Tapos, pag nasoak natin, ilalagay natin doon sa tank. Kasi lalagyan natin ng tubig yung tank ngayon. Okay. I will update ko kayo pag nalagyan na namin ng tubig yung tank. Guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo, natatanggal pala to para pag lalagyan mo ng tubig, hindi mo nabubuhatin the whole thing. So, tatanggalin mo lang to. So, yan yung maiiwan. Tapos, ito yung lalagyan natin ng tubig. Na pupunuin siya ng tubig para mas madali siyang... Ay, Melo. Say hi! Yan. So, lagyan na natin ng tubig. After 10 minutes, sinoke natin to. So, ngayon lalagay na natin siya dito sa kanyang kalalagyan. Tapos, may water na pala yan, guys. Yan, oh. Lalagyan na natin ng tubig. Ayan! Tapos, ngayon, try natin paano to mag-work. So, turn it on. That's low, I'm guessing. So, ayan. Oh, tap. Oh, I can feel it. And then, we need to pick the warm mist. Ayan, yung warm. So, which one is warm? So, I'm guessing is the sun. Oh, may umilaw sa loob, guys. I can see yung see-through niya. Yan. That was pretty cool. Ayan. Parang siyang may ilaw dun sa loob. So, oh, yan. It works, guys! And let's check this one. Oh, it's higher. So mas malakas yung ano natin. So i-low lang natin kasi we don't need yung. Ayan, 1, 2. Let's try the 2 lang. Oh, yan. Okay na yung 2. Ayan. Alright, guys. Looks like or it's seems like what is this? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the lock. I don't know. But anyway, alright. Ito yung ating nabili na nakuha na nabili na humidifier. It looks like it's working real good right now. So, tetesting namin tonight. And I will let you guys know kung anong may update. Alright. Thank you guys for watching our vlog and see you to the next video. I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe Mello and Chloe's channel.
Goodbye.